Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your email on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the homepage, you're gonna find your games and apps. Right here, you're gonna find your game library. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games and apps. You can also find your collection right here and also PlayStation Plus. So right now, in order to change your email, just go here to the top right. Here you're gonna find the option to search. Here you're gonna find settings, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So once you're here, go ahead and click on users and accounts. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, other, and here you're gonna find some login settings and delete users. So go ahead and click on account. And then once you do that, you're gonna find here sign in ID, security, profile, payment and subscriptions, address, and lastly communication preferences. Go ahead and click on sign in ID. So basically guys, the sign in ID is your email address. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to change your email address. So go ahead and click on X on your controller, and then you can just remove this one, and then you can type your new email address. For example, I'm gonna type this email address. So just go ahead and type your email address, and then once you do that, just go ahead and click on R2 on your controller, or you can just click on done right here. And then once you do that, if the email address is working, you can click on confirm right here. Then you're gonna be able to change your email address. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.